Caribbean Sea, Atlantic, Ethiopia.
Hey family, welcome to another video, and today we're in Home Depot, our favorite place, you know, for us who is currently restoring, or let me just say, yeah, it's like we're rebuilding our house. This is where we come at for most of the building supplies that we need. Home Depot is really convenient to us. It's within the parameters of our home, very accessible and very easy to just take a quick run and to come and pick the stuff up that we need. So we're here today and we're just getting a few stuff that we need to carry forward on our building project. For those of you who've been watching my channel, let me just say thank you, and we have more building projects coming up, so stay tuned. Hi Rasta, say hello to the vlog.
Blessed love.
Alright, so Rasta says blessed love. So we're here and hopefully we'll get all the building materials that we need. And like I said, we're getting some bolts, and these are for the wood beams, and that's for the foundation, the building work that we're undertaking at the moment. For those of you who've been watching my videos, you would know that we're currently restoring, let me just say restoring our home, and that's because it's our old house. We've had it for a while. However, it's that time when we've decided to make certain changes, and these are the essential changes to make it livable and make it more modern. So stick with us on this journey as we take you along with us. Blessed love. You want a drill bit?
Yeah.
So you're going down to that aisle now? Alright, so Rasta and Naya, we're just here. We're trying to get some. Rasta wants a drill bit. So you know what aisle you're going on? Okay, on that side, okay. So,
Hey, Chris.
we're in our favorite place. You see, Rasta is now a resident in Home Depot because Rasta has become a builder overnight. Not even one Rasta here, me say that, I'm a builder overnight. Rasta, you hear the disrespect? Me say you become a builder overnight. Oh, I'm sorry, ma'am. Yes. All right, Chris, blessed love. Yeah, man, give thanks, all right? Yes. So, Rasta, did you hear the audacity? You hear the audacity, Rasta? You say you become a builder overnight. You're a builder overnight.
Hey, you have become something, whether overnight, 1 day, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you gotta do something.
All right, I said. Well, anyway, you're doing the building here, babes, and I give thanks. Because I'm telling you, Rasta doing the building work, along with a few professionals, we have managed to save a whole lot of money. And can I tell you how grateful I am that my husband is able to put his hands to things and he knows what he's doing. So it's one of those skills where, you know, you're brought up in Jamaica and your parents do and you learn it from your father. By being around your parents, you learn it. It's like my mom. My mom was a dressmaker and I learned that skill from my mom. I don't make dresses, but I'm a creative. I make hats and I make headwear and I make various other things. And that creativity came from as a result of being in a household where my mom was a creative. So it's the same for Rasta, and we're putting those skills to use and we're getting things done. We've managed to save a whole lot of money, and for that I'm extremely grateful. So we're here at the area where we have the drill bits. Rasta is looking for specific bits to use in his drill. And these bits that you're looking for, Rasta, is for wood or for concrete?
Concrete.
Okay, so you're looking for concrete bits. So what happened to the bits that we have already?
Oh, those are metal.
Okay.
You got a special bit for different use.
Alright. Okay. So we're here looking at a variety of bits. And a variety of drills as well. I have Naya there. Naya, I don't want it to stray. Don't go too far, baby.
Size.
Okay.
Be 5/8. So you get a 5/8 bit.
Okay, 5/8 and a 5/8 bit. Okay. So you know I'm in this area with Rasta with the drill. See the Rasta pick up big drill now. That's Rasta, and Rasta is obsessed with tools. I don't think me see another man will have so much tools apart from my dad and my brother. Rasta is in love with tools. Rasta, you're in love with tools, don't? You in love? You really tell your wife you're in love with tools, Rasta? Eh?
You know what? Someone put tool before my wife. I said, I'm in love with tools.
Okay, so you don't put tools before your wife, but you're in love with tools.
Yeah.
All right then. All right, so tools not come before me.
No.
So that means you love me more than tools.
Of course.
All right. You're that.
We will compare with that. We will compare with tools.
Oh, and listen, my husband said he does not. He would never compare me with tools. Isn't that lovely? Listen to me now. That's why he's my husband. Hey, so I'm here in this section doing a bit of gimmickry, but I'm itching, literally itching, as Naya would say, itchy, 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 itchy. I'm itchy, itchy, itchy. Naya, I'm itchy, itchy. Can you drop in the comment section and tell me why I'm itching? I'm itching because I'm here in this aisle, but there's a specific area in this store that I can't wait to go to. You know what area that is. For those of you who've been watching my channel and you know whenever I come to Home Depot, where I head for first, drop it in the comments because you know it's where. So, I'm going to be heading just there. So, see you all in that area. So, I've arrived at my favorite place. Wow, what a big smile on my face. Look at that. I'm in my favorite place. Favorite area in Home Depot. See there, garden center. This is where I am, family. I'm going to be seeing if there's any plant that I'm in love with and I can't actually leave here and not take home. So, remember last week I bought this one and that one. And that was last Saturday. I bought these two, yes, $19.98, and this one was $12.99. So I'm gonna see if I can find a nice plant that I'm in love with that I can't resist, and I simply have to take home. Yes. You find something, Rassi? Oh yeah, that look like some lilies where we used to have back. Look at this. $49.98, so $50. I'd rather get a small one and go to that. I wouldn't pay $50 for that. I'm being honest with you, Rasta. You know I like to buy like the small. Okay, so show me the type flowers. Because I know so your wife not going to pay $50 fee, won't it? I'd rather buy a small flower and make it grow. But I'm not paying $50 for no flowers. No. Not when I have green fingers. Now grow it myself. I put that in my video. $21.98, 10-inch Majesty palms. From $21.98 to $14.98, and they look good. Rasta, this is the one that the lady had last week when we came.
The big one.
Master, pick one nice one out of it for me there. One nice one, babes. One nice one. So they have more Monstera there too. I don't want no Monstera though. I'm a mommy Monstera. I have a mother Monstera.
You want one of them?
More one nice one. You pick which one. The bottom one look better, don't it? The one that look nice to me, Ras. The one there. Don't.
This one?
What do you think? You have the eye feet, you know. So me leave you to choose. Oh wow. It look flush and nice. What do you think?
Yeah, look nice.
Look nice, man. Why at that price me I consider buying two. One on the left, one on the right. Hey, Ras? No business. Me buy it.
Look flush.
Look flush and nice, yes. Look flush and nice. Of course. What do you think, baby? We're good to go? You know I can't resist the flowers. Yeah, man. Give thanks. Nice, babes. Yes, I'm having those too. Yeah. Yeah, I'm feeling good. Nothing more? Nothing more. Nothing more. Monster? Oh, you don't get one eye fig? Oh, what is it? How much is the fig? About £25. 20. Oh, £25. I'm not in England. I'm in the US. $25. I meant to say.
24.
Oh gosh, 24. They so marked on the price. Make it stay there. Same like how they marked on this one from $24.98 to $14 something, $10 off. Then we soon take money off of that too. So I don't need it now. Give it a little time because we're always coming here to get building materials and I don't waste money. I spend money wisely. I'm a very smart shopper. I don't waste time and I don't waste money. That looks nice. Maybe it's a fruit tree. Look now. Let's see. So I have two lovely palm. We have 2 palm trees at home already, you know, but you can't too much. 2 more make 4. Yes. Nice and lovely. I invest money in plants because I just love them. And the thing is, when you have multiple buildings to decorate, you'll see how handy your plants come in. Just follow us on this journey, family, and you'll see exactly what's up. But for now, I'm super happy about our 2 beautiful palm trees, and those are gonna be repotted. I have 2 beautiful ceramic pots and I might just repot or maybe plant in the garden, not sure. But as soon as I get to the house, we'll know exactly what it is that we're gonna do with these palms. Right, Ross?
Pear tree.
Rasta me not talk about avocado. Me say if I right, Ross.
Yeah man. Right on.
You know you have to agree with me, you know, because if you don't agree, you know, so you're in a hell. Hell on fire. Hell on powder house. Hell on powder house, Rasta. If you disagree with me. I'm only kidding. You know you can disagree. You have the right to disagree. But when it comes to my plans, Rasta knows him have to just ride with me with that. Yeah. That's what's up. So what you have there, Ras? Fig?
Yeah, what else is the price?
Usually them they're about 60. No, the orange tape have the price. 60. Usually $60 for them.
29 now.
Oh yeah, that's not bad. You have to keep that in a pot and plant it at home.
Yeah.
Nice. It's nice outside. Look how beautiful outside. Wow. Wow. Nice day. What you doing? You're deciding on the fig? You know, forget it today because you come for building stuff. Enough. In Naya?
Come on.
Naya, come. Come, Naya.
Yeah. $86 for the avocado tree.
$86 for avocado?
Yeah.
Boy, we have some pear come from Florida. Make we see if we can catch a seed now.
Yeah, we can.
Make we plant a seed and we go buy 1 pear tree. For how much? $86? $86 for a pear tree. I'm not saying it's not worth it, but we have some avocado that's currently in transit from Florida. So why not wait until we get a nice avocado from Florida and try catch a seed? I believe in that. Now waste no money buying a $100 pear tree, babes. Make a pear tree stay. What's that? Citrus?
Oriental
Fuji. I don't know them the fruit tree. Lisbon lemon. How much we say again was the palm tree them? 14 something. So that will run about 30 something dollar. That's alright. $39, $40. That's okay. Make up my budget for that. Alright then.
It was 46.
$46?
Yeah, for the pear.
Okay. When I say we want something to put on it, oh, no, yes, so forget it.
46.
I'm not going over my budget. I know how much money in my purse. Princess? Princess Nai? Princess? Say hi to the vlog. Hey girl, say hi.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Say hi. Say hi, Naya.
Hi.
Princess Naya. Princess, say hi. Princess Naya. Hey girl, say hi.
Hi.
Nice girl. We're on our way out of Home Depot. Yes, so this was our little trip. I know for sure tomorrow or the day after we'll be here again, but give thanks. Hey family, so we're not home yet. On our way home, we decided, me tell Rasta so me need 2 plant pots. So he decided to take me to one of my other flower place. This is a private owner and this is just off the highway. What's this highway called, baby? I what?
62.
Oh, off 62? Highway 62, this is what?
62.
This is Doan's Plant Nursery. So this is where we are. I come here for all my fantastic, you know, my Vietnamese and my Asian, you know, design plant pots. I get them from here. So this is where I am now. I'm not gone home yet. I had to come again. And I know that I'm going to buy more plants. But I came here for plant pots. So Rasta, as always, when he comes, he has to speak to the boss. They're always talking about plants, etc. But I'm gonna be looking for my lovely plant pots for my palm trees. Yes, there's some lovely pots here. Wow.
Oh, really?
Oh, what kind of plant?
Good for drink.
Oh, you gonna drink it? Is a herb?
Yeah, it's a herb,
Okay.
it's a medicine.
I'm studying herbalism, but me don't know that one.
Yeah, go to with Jamaica. We just pick these and boil and make tea.
I don't really fancy those ones. Those are nice. You don't really see me plant pot today with to me
This one.
fancy.
This.
And then when you say I'll get one of them.
Yeah, but those are small, Russ. They're too tiny. Me have to get them the bigger.
Lana, come from over there, baby. Man, Jack.
Careful. Me have to get those bigger ones. I mean, I like a dark one. One that me can see. What are those? They have massive one here, so I want. So we've been here for a while now. Me sweating. Look there. I sweat now. I think it's time to go. Again? Got a plumeria. And what's this one called again, Russ? Russ will tell me. And I got a lovely plant pot. Yeah, so I think that's it for this weekend. Well, let me say for Friday. I think that's it for today. I don't think that we'll be making any more stops until we get into the truck and we remember, so we have to stop somewhere. But yeah, that's it for here, family. And I think that's it for plants for today. That's how we load up. See the rest that tie up. Plant pot is on board. Plumeria. I don't remember the name of that plant and the 2 palms. Now you're crying now. I think enough is enough. We're heading home. Blessed one.